Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this Sopiguard skin install for my Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Huge shout out to Sopiguard for sending me a skin to give my S25 Ultra a little extra sum. Got some information back here on this very nice envelope presentation. Now, I didn't purchase the skin, but that's what you will see when you do purchase the skin that you choose over at the Sopiguard website. They have plenty of choices, plenty of colors, plenty of designs, plenty of textures. They got a lot going on over there. Now, the skin that I chose is actually a customized skin, which you can do over at that Sopiguard website. You just have to upload a picture and Sopiguard will do the rest. Sopiguard will provide a microcloth and a wet wipe to help clean the back of your S25 Ultra. I am providing my own little rubbery grippy pad so my S25 Ultra does not move around too much. Doesn't completely help, but it helps some, and some is better than not getting any help at all. The case that I will be putting on when everything is said and done is the Nilken Nature TPU Pro magnetic case, completely clear, so I will be able to see the skin on my S25 Ultra and I'll get the protection that I need for my investment. Now, the inside back of the case is going to be a huge help. Once you put the case on, the back will press up against the skin, which helps the adhering process, the sticking process. So that right there, thumbs up. I will be using a blow dryer, and that is to heat up the adhesive on the back of the skin. It helps the sticking process as well. So there's a lot going on here as far as making sure that the skin is going to stick properly and not easily come off. Now, the one thing that you have to do is constantly move the heat around. Never let the heat set in one area of your smartphone because you can damage your smartphone. So constantly, and I mean constantly, move that blow dryer around. It doesn't matter if it's circular motion, back and forth. Maybe it's the shake. I don't care how you do it. Just make sure that it doesn't sit in one area. The other thing is make sure you do the skin install when you have a moment that is going to be quiet, peaceful. That way you don't make any mistakes, that everything with the process of the install goes the way that it should. All right, let's go ahead and take out the skin that I chose, that I wanted customized. First, I'll show you the microcloth, the Sopiguard microcloth. Isn't that nice? Yeah, man, that is really, really nice. And here's my alcohol prep pad here, white pad, whatever. And the skin, are you ready? All right, here we go. Are you ready? Bam! Godzilla. Yeah, when we were kids, my dad would call Godzilla Godzuki. gotta tell you folks, that right there, that's savage. The skin is also going to protect the back of your S25 Ultra. That's a thumbs up. That's a little bit of an extra added bonus outside of the skin itself and how Sopiguard was able to customize the photo that I uploaded. Yeah, once you go through the process, put it on, you got protection for the back.
Yeah, baby, yeah!
And then you're going to use the case, which is going to add more protection. And then the back is going to press up against the skin so that adhering, the sticking process is still going on while you're using your phone. Again, I would do the install process towards the end of the evening. That way the skin sits for at least 24 hours with the case that you choose to go with. It's going to be a lot easier to take off and not easily pull the skin off because you don't have top, bottom, and side skin strips. I would definitely let sit for 24 hours if you choose a skin with these side strips. For me, it's I do those type of installs, but eventually they start coming off those strips because I'm constantly pulling off and putting on a different case. I go through a lot of reviews with a lot of different cases, so yeah, eventually those strips start to peel off. But if you're just going to leave one on for a while and choose to utilize the strips along the sides, then you're good to go. But still, give it that 24 hours. The Nilken Nature TPU Pro Magnetic Case. Bam. You let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. The information to purchase in the description area. Sopiguard, you killed it. You killed it. All right. And with that, thanks for watching. God bless you all. Peace.